Hello and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. Today we are going to be doing a print impressions plan with me. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So this was last week's kit. This was from Savannah Paper Co. This was her lucky kit. I know we're not in March, but I just had to use it. I bought the kit too late. But anyway, so what I'm using is some Inky in the Brains book bag stickers to mark some school days. The kit that I'm using is from Sassy Planner Co. And I'm also using some date dots from Salome. Um, I forgot if it was designs or not. But anyways, everything will be linked down below in the description box. Alright, so now I'm just putting on down some date dots. I'm planning from Tuesday to next Monday. And yeah, so everything pretty much that I use is from this kit. I didn't add anything else because I forgot to do a little cheat sheet for myself. So that's another thing. Anyway, so those tweezers are also from her shop as well. I got the bent and the straight. If you do get the straight, I've been told that they are really pointy and sharp, so please be careful. They are really good tweezers. I personally am digging the bent because I had a little bit more practice with them because I had, what is those? The Cricut version. But anyways, I think these are much better though. So now I am going to be putting on the glitter headers. I just love this kit. And then I said, oh, let me put this on this week. So since technically it is this week. So for my little sidebar, and this kit pretty much had everything that I needed, like a plan with me, grocery shopping, and so I just used the full boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, and like the little deco cute boxes to fill out this kit. So anyway, guys, I wanted to talk to you also about the shop that I'm PRing for. I'm so happy to announce that Sparrow Design Paper Co. will be participating in the Planner Mayhem sale. And now I'm putting down some washi really quick. That came in the kit. So she's going to be participating in that sale from April the 17th to the 19th. So I'm super excited to announce that and let you guys know that if you put my code to Note to Seller, you will get my freebie. My code is Eileen20. I've been told that there are going to be some, I don't know if it's going to be tiered or just some freebies. I do also know that there is going to be another mystery kit. So that is super duper exciting. So please mark that down on your planners. All right, so now we're putting the checklist. And if I forgot to mention, this particular kit is the full, I believe the full impressions kit. But again, I will make sure that I will put that down below. So now I'm using, the little deco quarter, full, and half boxes. And now I'm going to put the deco boxes down below. This kit has so many beautiful images. I really love it. The colors are so pretty. And again, this kit is celestial. And now I'm going to be putting the days of the week and my habit checker on the sidebar. And I messed up and everything was a little crooked, but sometimes it is what it is. You got to roll with it. And then I just put a little to-do sticker and had to fix that because there was a little boo-boo. These things happen on my part. So anyway, guys, I really hope that oh, now I'm putting in the little backpacks from Inky and the Brain. I got those made in silver foil. I really love those. I have to order some more because those were my last two. And then I realized, wait a minute, I don't know if this week is school day, so the 9th. So I have to go and find out if there is going to be a classes or whatever. So now I'm just adding more boxes and stuff like that. And just filling everything in, like the plan with me, and a little shopping sticker for Sunday. And that is it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.